In our syllabus, the new lesson is the junk seller. Okay, have you ever met a kabadi wala, a woman who sells junk? This is a true story told by Kiran, who has the junk shop in Patna. That lady. I studied in Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I loved Hindi and science, but I hated maths. Today, maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. In the student's age, she doesn't like maths, but she is telling, now in my business, this subject is working and I am loving it. So see how. What about you? Do you also find maths difficulty? Maybe yes. Individually, your responses will be there. Some students like maths subject. Some students don't like. What is the most difficult thing in your maths book? The most difficult thing. So you will write, everyone you will write here your difficulty, and you can send me. You know, on my personal account, what do you think in the easiest lesson? What do you think is the easiest lesson? Okay, now see. When I was young, my father died in an accident, so my mother worked as a servant in some houses. We had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8th. I wanted to study more about my mother got me married. गांव में तो ऐसा ही होता है. In the village, you can see in early age the girls got married. My husband's family lived in a mud house. His two brothers and his sisters did not go to school. He had a टी स्टॉल. मतलब ससुराल जब पहुंची तो वहां क्या था? केवल चाय की दुकान, जिसको हम कहते हैं चाय की लारी. ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट हाउ मच फॉर अ कप ऑफ टी. Ask people and find out the cost of a cup of tea. It's your work at a tea stall, at a hotel. Obviously, in the hotel, a cup of tea will be costly. But you will find. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? For one day, it's given and we have to calculate for 10 days. So what we will do? We will multiply 30 into 10. That means 300. Now you got for 10 days. So, and in a month, in the regular month, we assume that in 1 month 30 days are there. So what we will do? A day, you know, now you have to calculate for a month. That means 30 into 300. So 30 into 30. So 30 into 30. 2 zeros with 3 threes are 9. How did you get the answer? Discuss. So by multiplication method. So I will solve this question on the green board. I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. She thinks that in that time कि मैं क्या ओपन करूँ, या तो फिर बैंगल शॉप और टेलर शॉप. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot of by opening a junk shop. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. Now find out. Junk shop, that means पस्ती की दुकान, कबाड़ी, जो सारी पुरानी चीजें लेते हैं. Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan for what? Yes, I heard. You also heard for home loan, education loan, gold loan. How much loan was taken? How much money was paid back? Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcart for rupees 300. Okay. I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. That means his main name is Hariya. Okay. And loan taken of rupees 300 for 6 months only. And every month that man is paying rupees 51. So in 6 months, in 1 month he is paying rupees 51. So for 6 months he will pay 51 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30, 306. That extra money, 6 rupees is the interest for on this amount. But I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from Chunilal. After 6 months, I will pay back rupees 360. That man has taken loan from bank and he has taken loan from the other person. His name is Chunilal. And Chunilal is taking extra. Bank is taking 6 rupees on 300 and Chunilal is taking 60 rupees more. Who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu? Obviously, Babu. Okay.